Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica again with another video. This time we'll have the Target boxes for the month of September. This month we had two boxes. They look like this. They have a very nice print this month. We have two of them. They have a floral print, which I think it's really cute to have something different than the regular white box. So let's go ahead and see what we have in those two boxes. I will tell you the name of the box after I see what's inside. They have the regular box, I can talk, the regular box with variety products, and they have a box with masks. So let's see which one is this. Really pretty print this month. So this one is Hello Queen and Glow. I got two coupon codes in this box. So we have the products on the back, and let me see exactly which box is this one. It comes like this. It's very light, and this one is the mask box. And this one is called Facial Beauty Box. So here is the box. Let's see what we have in this one. So far we have Lumene, and this one is Hydration Recovery Aerating Gel Mask. Looks like this. I saw the brand, the Lumene brand, Lumini, whatever is the pronunciation, will have an advent calendar. So here is the first product in here. About this one, innovative airy water gel formula instantly replenishes skin's moisture to promote a healthy glowing complexion. For skin in need of an extra boost, use as an intensive rescue by applying a thin layer to sink it overnight. So you can use this one, let me adjust my camera. You can use this one as a sleeping mask also, which is nice. First product in here. Then we have a hair mask, and this one is from Tresemme, and this is Keratin Smooth Deep Smoothing Mask with Marula oil. Is this one right here. Probably you can get 2 or 3 usage from this one. Also, the two boxes are having the same price, $7, and I think it's a good price for them. So let's see about this one, about the Tresemme mask, if I can find that here. Yes, about this one, keratin and marula oil from a powerful 5-in-1 system that fights frizz, detangle knots, enhances shine, adds softness, and tames flyaways for a gorgeous smooth look. After applying, cover with a shower cap, then wrap in a hot towel. This helps the product diffuse through the hair cuticule faster. So we'll see about this one. Then we have another mask. We have from Mask Bar, probably rose gold foil peel-off mask. Sounds good so far. About this one, rose gold peel-off mask enriched with natural fruit extras that aid in purifying and soothing to brighten and soften skin. Apply face toner after masking. Looks in ingredients for plumper, younger looking skin. So a good addition to this box. Then we have Miss Spa, results in 20 minutes. This one is the Energized Mask, awaken and invigorate, paraben, fragrance and artificial dye free. This one looks like this. And about this one, Energized Facial Sheet Mask, sodium hyaluronate, restorative abilities, help boost skin's moisture levels and protect against environmental stressors. So apply to clean skin, let it sit for 20 minutes, then remove and pat excess serum into skin. This is the fourth product in here. And the last one, we have an Acure mask, another natural brand. It's Brilliant Brightening Biocellulose mask. Looks like this. And about this one, unique biocellulose fiber evenly distributes the antioxidant powers of vitamin C, kale, and cucumber for refreshed and soothe skin. So another mask in here. So far we have 5 of them. We have the Acure one, we have the Miss Spa mask bar, the hair mask from Tresemme, and probably from this one you get at least 2-3 usage, and the sleeping mask, the hydration one from Lumine, and this is from Finland, whatever, this one. I didn't try neither one, so I cannot tell you how they work, but if you want me to put them in the samples of the week, we can do that. So this was the first mask, which was called Facial Beauty Box. If they are still available, I will leave them in the link down below, as all the links for the last beauty deals, and there are a couple of them on sale right now with good prices. I was talking about them each video, so always don't forget to check the description box. Then we have in here the second box, and this one is called Target Fall Beauty Box. Another pretty print. Looks like this. And let's see what we have in this one. We have the 3 coupon of card, and the products, the same orange paper, and here are the products in this box. I see good sizes in here. The first one is the Veleda, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. It's Wild Rose Creamy Body Wash. It's a good size. About this one, creamy moisture rich body wash formulated with essential oils, leaves skin feeling silky smooth and smelling yummy. I'm sure it does. Then we have a travel size deodorant for Schmidt's. This is charcoal and magnesium. Oops, sorry about it. So is this one right here. About this one, award-winning formula helps absorb wetness and neutralize odor, so you smell fresh and never feel sticky. Free of aluminum, parabens, and many other ingredients. Certified vegan and cruelty free, which is a great thing. Then we have another, and I like the fact, and it seems like they got their lesson, because if you look at those products, they put a sticker around, so it's no way for this one to leak, because we had so many problems with items in the Target boxes that they had to do something, and I appreciate the fact they did, because before for one item they had to resend the whole box. So we have Olay, and this one is Cleansing Infusion Hydrating Glow, is this one right here. And about this one, bio-renewing hydrators draw up impurities and renew skin surface from within, so it reflects light for a naturally gorgeous glow. After rinsing off, splash face with cold water to shrink pores and improve blood circulation. So another good addition in the box. We have a couple good items in here. I'm smiling. I just used this one today. This is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist. It's a sample. I will leave this one for those samples bag giveaways, because I just used one of these today and I would like you to try it. It was okay, not my favorite mist, but anyway, it works. You might like it, so I will leave this, as I said, for the samples bags. About this one, it's a and this one also, I forgot to tell you, can be used as as a primer also. I'm a little bit confused because yeah, I know. This one, no, it's not a primer. I know I read something about this today. You can use it also as a setting spray. I knew it's something. Hydrates, primes before makeup. Yes, I was right. Sets makeup and refreshes. So 4 benefits from this one. One of you will enjoy that in the sample bag, which is coming one of the next weeks anyway. About this one is this is the Garnier Skin Active Facial Mist Spray with rose water. Vegan face mist infused with rose water lightly hydrates and rejuvenates so skin feels smooth and refreshed. Layer face mist between your skincare and foundation regimen for an even glow. So another great sample in here. We have a card about this item, which is very tiny. It's a sample but will last you a long time, and I'm saying that because I'm using the full size right now. It's an eyelash primer. About this one, L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Primer Base, and I'm using a primer almost all the time under my mascara. Lightweight eyelash primer instantly conditions and coat lashes, building dramatic volume and length for a cat eye effect. Apply mascaras while lashes are still damp from the primer for an extra bit of lift and fullness. It does work. I am happy to get samples instead of the full size. It's just me. So we'll see about this one. But so far it's a good one. Then we have a Nivea product, and this one is body lotion shea daily moisture 48 hours. It's a good size, looks like this. And about this one, smooth daily moisture body lotion, shea butter and exclusive Hydra IQ technology provides triple action moisturizer that lasts more than 24 hours, leaving skin soft and smooth. We'll see about this guy. Usually when I'm finishing a full-size product, I'm incorporating in my routine some of those samples, and I like to try them, to switch between them, to change them all the time. The last product in the box, it's an item that comes also often. It's OGX, from OGX. And this one is Refresh and Restore Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo. It's a good size also. About this one, and their product smells amazing. Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo, blend of coconut oil, essence of tiar and vanilla bean extract helps to repair, soften and revive strands for silky soft hair. Spritz onto roots at night. Okay, I didn't know about that. First time when I'm hearing. Spritz onto roots at night. This helps it fully absorb, so you'll wake up with lash looks. So we'll see about that. I'll try this in that way. So far that's all in the second box. In the variation one, actually the Target box, we have a dry shampoo, we have travel size deodorant, we have a face cleanser from Olay, we have this body lotion, I believe, no, it's a body wash. We have the body lotion, we have the face mist, so we have the mascara. So far I think it's a great box because you get a little bit of everything. So if it's still available, you might want to check this box, because I think it's well worth it, $7. So this is all in this box and in this video. I will leave the links down below as usually. If I'll find the boxes, I will leave them down below. If not, go on the Target website and subscribe for their news. They will send you an email all the time when the box shows up for sale. It's worth it. I think I like the Target one better than the Walmart one. You let me know about the two of them. What do you think about the two of them? Don't forget to check the description box for deals. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you guys very soon with my Ipsy bag and of course a new gift for another friend. In the meantime, you have an amazing day. Bye bye.